very messy. So I want to protect your beautiful clothes in your dress. Okay? Alright.
Wow, we're wearing a lab coat because it's cold.
Is it cold? Hey.
Close it. Close it now. Okay, so now, have you ever made a slime before? What's your name? Tell me your name. What's your name? Alexa. How old are you? You're 10?
No.
How old are you? 2. 2? Okay, so this is slime. Okay, so now this is for you. And it's time to put our magical
Milk.
milk. Huh?
Is it milk? Milk.
No. Are we going to drink this one, Alexa?
No.
Can we drink this one?
No. Of course
No, it's not a milk. It's a white one, but it's sticky. So what is it?
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
No.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
No, it's blue.
It's blue.
Blue?
Alexa, look. Look at it. If it's blue. What is it? It's blue. Okay, can I have yellow popsicle stick? And I will give one for Alexa. Oh, is that you? Oh, let's make it smooth. Is it done? Show me.
Yay.
Show me. Wow, and now, since we all mixed this one, we need to add some colors.
Yay.
Here we have red from red apples, green from green cherry,
Cherry.
From what?
This is cherry
from
green.
green apple, and blue from
Banana.
banana? No, blueberry. Okay, now choose a color. What do you want? Red, green, or blue? Point it. What do you want?
What do you want?
You want red? Wow. Okay, now, Alexa, did you know that this one will turn your slime into pink?
Really?
Yeah, you will see why.
Why?
First, we'll give you. Okay, now mix it.
Mix it now.
Let's see if it's turning into pink.
Come on, mix this one, Alexa. Mix it, mix.
No, you cannot eat it. It will turn your tummy achy.
Uh-oh.
Show me. Done. Oh, it's all pink. Oh, show it to Mama. Show her the color. Okay, and now, since it's still sticky, we had to put the magical activator. This is Playos magical activator. You know, if we put it in your glue, it will turn into slime.
Really? Let's see.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, now mix it.
Mix it now, Alexa.
Mix it. You will see what will happen.
Mix it.
Ooh. Yeah.
Wow. Now it's turning what?
Green.
No.
Green. It's turning into a
Slime.
Yeah.
Bubble gum?
Yeah, it's like a bubble gum, but it's not a bubble gum. Look.
Wow.
Say, look. Look talaga. Oh, is it for him? Say, look. For who? For who?
For Alexa.
For Alexa. Or... Ah, what's that sound? It's popping.
Hey, it's sticky.
Touch it.
E? Okay, I will not look.
Wait.
What is this? Look, it's a slime.
Yeah. Play with it.
Look. Try it.
Try it on here.
Come on.
Wait.
Touch.
It's a slime.
Wait.
Okay, I will put it in front of you. So
Touch Alexa. Touch it. Touch it.
Make a cheese.
Let's make a
Okay, let's see
cheese.
how we make a cheese. You can do it like this. Cook it like this.
Yeah.
Come on, this. Come on, do it like that.
Now you ready to see a cheese?
Yes.
Now ready? 1, 2,
2, 3. Oh, wow.
part. Please fasten
Hi,
your
Alexa.
seatbelt and remain seated throughout the trip. Keep your hands and legs. Rolling up the choo-choo train. I hear your whistle blowing. Your ride is so exciting.
Like this? Huh?
Get.
This one. You want this one? You want this one? Next. Not orange.
See what the shape is. Parang yung pakaramdam mo.
Okay, last three. Good job. Last two. Okay. Circle in color yellow. Now put it in. This here. Look. There. Maybe this one.
Covered. Covered.
He's super hungry. Pet him. Can you pet him? He loves to be pet him. Wow. Wow. He's super hungry. He didn't eat for days. This one, you want that? You want that?